The basics of negative numbers. Negative numbers are all numbers that are smaller, but not including 0. Let's start with adding and subtracting. When you add and subtract, there's a rule. If there's an even amount of negatives, it becomes an addition. Here's a couple examples for you to understand better. Here you have 5 minus negative 5. So, according to our rule, there's an even amount of negative symbols. This turns into addition, so 5 plus 5. What about 9 plus negative 8? Here, since we have an odd number of negative symbols, this will turn into 9 minus 8. So, in short, adding a negative number is like subtracting, and subtracting a negative number is adding. But why? Think about it this way. Positive is true, and negative is false. So if you have two positives, it is true that it's true. If we have one positive and one negative, it's true that it's false, so therefore it's false. But if you have two negatives, it is false that it is false. Therefore, it is true. With division and multiplication, it's the exact same thing. For example, here you have negative 5 times negative 5. Since it is false that it is false, the answer is positive 25. Or if you have 10 divided by negative 5, it is false that it is true, so the answer would be negative 2. But what if you have a negative exponent? Well, here you have 5 to the power of negative 2 as an example. And all you have to do is just remove the negative from your exponent and place it under 1, as shown here. So, in reality, 5 to the power of negative 2 is just 1 divided by 25. And there you go. Those are the basics of negative numbers.